Hi, CFB secondary science teachers. I'm Susan Chip, the K-12 Science Director. Now that you've seen the Understanding by Design overview, let's look at one of the UBD documents specifically for secondary science. I will be using the UBD for 8th grade, Unit 4, Force and Motion as the example. In Stage 1, Desired Results, we are still using content specificity for what was talked about as content knowledge and skills in the overview. The only change is to the title, not the information in this box. We'll be making this change by second semester. In the critical vocabulary section, science has added emerging vocabulary. These words can be used by the teacher when talking with students, but the students will not be tested over them within this unit. Not every unit has emerging vocabulary, especially at the high school level. Enduring understandings are written for teachers and may be used at different grade levels as appropriate for the content. The science essential questions are written for students but are much more global than the learning targets. On the Science UBD, we have also provided examples of learning targets that you can use or adjust for what you are teaching each day. We hope they will provide a starting point as you plan out your unit. The Science Assessment Plan, Stage 2, provides at least one performance task as well as the multiple choice test. In addition, the retest items are also included in this section. At the middle school level, a unit test study guide is included, and at the high school level, some of the courses have included a unit review checklist. In the Science Learning Plan, Stage 3, we list the 5E lessons for this unit. The 5E lesson is the organization style we use in Science K-12. Again, we have provided the text along with a sample learning target for this 5E. The 5Es start with engage to hook the student's interest into the science concept. Explore and explain are the meat of the lesson where the students are provided opportunities for exploration and questioning that leads to developing the understanding of the concept. The elaborate part of the lesson is where the transfer of other related concepts and application to the real world would occur. The last E is for evaluate. That helps the teacher to determine if the learner has attained mastery. Evaluate may be both formative and summative and may occur at different times throughout the lesson. We encourage you to study each UBD unit with your campus team to build a plan that assists the students with acquisition, meaning making, and transfer of science concepts. We want students excited, engaged, and successful in CFB science. Thank you.